Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. What do you do when you want to convert PDFs to images? Take a screenshot, or this video will introduce a very simple way to convert PDF and get a clear picture with the same size as PDF. Let's get started. Do you also create a planner before traveling? By planning your trip in advance, you won't be stressed about time while traveling. I'm used to making my travel plans in PDF form, but it is not convenient to check PDF when traveling, so you need to convert PDF to image. Open Afirstsoft PDF on your computer and open the planner. Click to image at the top. Check the settings and click Convert if there is no problem. Afirstsoft will convert PDF to image quickly. Click Image to view. The file is now in image format, and the clarity of the image has not been affected. You can import the image to your phone. Just like this, you'll be able to view the plans you've made while you're traveling. It's easier to view the plans in picture format on your phone than if you print out the schedule. That's all. If you think Afirstsoft can solve your PDF conversion problem, you can click the link below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.